Hi guys, let me just introduce to you to all my fishy, and this is Red, Aloha, and Bumper, and this is Pom Pom. She is a new addition to the family, a pearl scale goldfish, and this is a great day and they are all happy because other than Pom Pom, Red, Bumper, and later on Curly, actually they got sick of ick, and this is their first day going back to the 50-gallon aquarium. So Red is really happy and showing off her fins because it got rotten too, and even Curly. But Bumper, she's okay now. So you would see there's Curly and her fins is still recovering. So everybody's happy. So they're just displaying their beauty and they know that I'm sitting and watching them. And this is Kuranda, and she loves to run away from me. She doesn't want to be stared at. And here are some Raminos. I'll be adding some more. It should be a group of 6. And I'll be introducing to you some bottom dwellers that we have. I got curious with goldfish. They have this such unique personality, each and every one of them. And as you would see here, Kuranda loves to play hide and seek with me. So she runs around, and then Red loves to show off her self. And here are my cuties, a panda and a pepper coradoras. They love to eat and non-stop. Just watching them amaze me. And well, it is advisable to get a soft sand texture of substrate, but I think they're okay with my pebbles and coral gravels. I didn't see any scratches or if they got hurt, so well, they're really cute, so I think they're okay. So one thing here is that you can sit all day watching them move around, and they're actually fast swimmers. So, and they don't bully or, they're not even aggressive. And here's the two. Actually Aloha and Kuranda are playmates. They always go together. And this is Curly, and she's doing good. She got sick and her fins are recovering. And here it goes again. Kuranda loves to play with the current, and goldfish are so playful. They are so adorable and you can't stop staring at them. It relieves your stress. They are all babies and can't wait till they grow up soon. Thank you for watching, and till then, bye-bye now.